DSG farts, then you see me breeze. Automatic DSG farts, it's a new thing. AMG boys.
What's good everyone, DSG Panther here. Today is finally the day that I have put new wheels on my car. So, well, I haven't actually put them on yet, but they're going to be going on. So today I've brought some new wheels. Now before we get into this, massive shout out to Wheelbase Allies and also a massive shout out to Polo and Avanti tyres, because this is going to be a sick video. So we've got new tyres from Avanti and new wheels from Polo, but they have been supplied from Wheelbase. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Make sure you use my code at checkout so you can get yourself some percentage off on tyres and wheels. Go and do that right now, and we are going to Tyre Point in this video as well, so shout out to Mark and Ant. But yeah, let's get into the video. I'm not going to show you the wheels, I'm going to wait for that. I'm going to wait until I actually get them on, and then I'll show you the wheels, what they look like on. But yeah, we're going to load the car up, head on down to Tyre Point. Make sure you're following DSG Mods and DSG Panther on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's head on our way up to Tyre Point. We'll do a bit of talking about the tyres I've brought as well. And yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see here, this is all what the wheels came on. Like, they all came in these massive boxes. So yeah, massive thank you to Wheelbase for all this packaging. Like, it's actually sick packaging. So let's get into it. The car is there, the car is fully loaded, and yeah, you can't see what's in it. I'm gonna give you a hint right now. So yeah, they're bowlers. Okay, all I'm gonna do is open this and close it. That's all you're getting. You probably didn't even see anything. So yeah, that is all you're getting. But at the moment, as you can see, my tyres are so curbed. Well, just that one, and the nearest offside one is also just horrible as well. So yeah, we need some new wheels. That tyre is also bald, so new wheels have been pending for a very long time. If you do want to buy my wheels, they are just the standard Polo GTI ones, but in black, gloss black. These two need refurbing, and that one needs a new tyre, but the other ones are all fine. Loads of tread and not curbed. But yes, if you do want them, make sure you DM me on Instagram, DSG Panther, if you do want them. But yeah, let's get the AC on in the car, and let's on our... Nice. But yeah, so ignore the hay fever. Let's get in the car, let's put the AC on, and let's head on our way all the way up to Tyre Point and get them fitted, and I can reveal to you guys what they look like, and I'll probably give the car a clean in this video as well, so you guys can see what it looks, how good it looks all cleaned up. So yeah, let's head on our way. Let's actually go up to Tyre Point and let's get into it. Alright guys, so we are now back. The wheels are on the car, but you can't see them yet, so we're going to get into it. Now they are bowlers, I haven't said what ones yet, but I was originally going to get Japan Racing ones, but they didn't have them in stock and I'm not waiting 2 weeks for them. So we've gone with bowlers. We're going to get into the cinematics, you're going to see what they look like. Let me know in the comments what you think bowlers are right now. And we've also got some new tyres on it from Avanti, so shout out to them as well. If you want to use my code DSG25, there'll be in the link in the description as well. Without further ado, let's get into the reveal of the wheels. Let's get into it.
You know it's Alex Cash.
Alright guys, as you can see, these are Polo B1s done in matte bronze. I can't lie, they actually look sick. So as you can see, the wheel is also a lot bigger inside, so more air gets into it. So it cool down your brakes as well, and the wheels are lighter, which obviously helps when you're dragging it at GPVs. If you know, you know. Yeah, honestly, let me know what you guys think in the comments of these wheels. I think they look sick in it. Let me know in the comments. Polo B1s, finished in bronze. I think it would be sick if you had like a bigger caliper here, so obviously you can see the caliper a lot more. But yeah, 100% I recommend these, and the tyres are literally insane. The grip on them for £90 is actually so much better than literally Michelin, so 150 you can get them for 90, so I definitely recommend them. So on the rear you can see how it fits. It's literally pretty much the same as the stock ones, but you will need spacers, which I'm thinking about getting. I just need to ask Alloy Base how I actually do that, because as you can see the arch cap needs to come out a little bit more. But yeah, I think they look pretty good. Shout out to Casey from Allo Wheelbase as well. He's the one that plugged it within 2 days, so shout out to you. And as you guys all know, for Calvin's car show, these would look sick. Alright guys, so we are now back home after putting the wheels on, and as you did see, I did talk a little bit about the wheels and the specs of them, but obviously it was quite windy in them clips, so I just want to do a little bit more talking about the wheels and a bit more close up without the wind. It's quite peaceful today, so yeah, I'm actually filming this the day before Calvin's car show, so you guys will be seeing this video the evening of coming back from that. Hopefully it was a good day. It should have been a good day. It's not raining, so that's always good to know. But yeah, let's talk about a little bit more about these wheels and about the tyres, since I've now had a couple of days to drive about with these tyres on, which is quite a big talking point with these tyres, because these are budget tyres, budget performance tyres. So yeah, let's talk about them and let you know my... So these Polos are finished in matte bronze, which I believe is matte bronze, in the 17-inch, wrapped in the Vanti tyres. As you can see, the Vanti is there. I don't know the full specs of the tyre, well I do, but not off the top of my head, so I'll let you know in the comments and also on screen. But yeah, these tyres are so good, and the wheels are actually beneficial because you actually get more room in here, so obviously to clean the caliper, to clean the wheels, it's a lot easier as well. But also when you're like ragging it or you're driving it hard on a track, you can actually get more cooling in here, because obviously the gaps down here are so much bigger to let more air come in, so you're actually cooling down your brakes a lot more, and even on the back. But only one annoying thing about these wheels is look, you can literally see how much this wheel sticks in quite a lot, and on the front it's actually not that bad. For some reason on the rear it's quite bad, so it kind of annoys me that you've got these really nice wheels and on the back it just doesn't quite sit right. On my Corsa, if you guys remember, the wheels actually sat perfectly, so I don't know why they don't on this. I don't know the offset. All the description of the wheel that I brought will be in the description, and the link to it, just so you guys can see what I actually brought. But yeah, I really think bronze sets off this car so well. Man, I love the bronze. The bronze on this car looks sick. But yeah, I think bronze on a black car is literally the best mix you can do. Like, look how evil it looks now. We've obviously got the bonnet wrap from DH Styling. So we're also going to be getting my tints done again on the front, because they're not dark enough for off-road use only. But yeah, these tyres are so good. They actually grip really well in the wet as well. As you see, I've got full tread on these. Luckily there's no nails in them, surprisingly there's not. But yeah, honestly, they handle really good. In the wet they're a little bit sketch, but in the dry these are amazing. Like, the grip on them is literally insane. Now if you guys want a full video on the tyres, aka a title like, I don't know, the best budget tyres for a Polo GTI, let me know, and I can do a full in-depth video explaining the tyres and how good I actually think they are, and do a bit of driving, and maybe we'll do a little track day, which I do want to get going very soon. I just need to get some other bits done on the car. I want to get a new intercooler, but I was going to get an upgraded one anyway, and I will be doing a DSG mods intercooler, so maybe that would be a good time to... Yeah, so that's be a good time to get a new DSG Mods one. So yeah, we'll have a DSG Mods intercooler by then as well, just so the car runs a bit cooler, and it should be a lot more efficient for a track day as well. Obviously we've got the upgraded DSG box now, not the clutch, but the actual box inside has been upgraded, so we should be all good for it's a good little track day. I do want to get some new calipers for it. I would like to get some upgraded calipers. If anyone is selling any like Golf GTI or Cupra calipers that will fit onto this car, please let me know, because that is another good thing. You actually get loads of room between the calipers, so you could probably put quite a big caliper on there. You won't want to go bigger than a Golf GTI one anyway, but you could go a big caliper if you really wanted to. So yeah, if you're selling any calipers, let me know in the description. Ideally with this and pads, so I don't have to go and buy them. Yeah, I definitely want to do that as well. I would normally do an outro, but I've actually decided to change the style of my videos. So from now on, the outro you're about to see is going to be the outro for every single video. Now if you guys don't like that, please let me know in the comments. I'm just playing around with the channel. Obviously we're growing quite a lot recently, so I want to play around with it, try and make things better for you guys. So if you don't like it, please let me know. If you do, then I will keep it. But yeah, so I'm going to cut to the outro. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.